Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation that you see right here from year 2015, 2016, 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the steering wheel lock is located. You may have up to 2 fuses that you need to check, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So, what we guys have here specifically, we have this 2017 Toyota Camry that we're going to be demonstrating on right here. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes and today we'll be working just one of them. The fuse box that we need is right under the hood. Open the hood, you will face the engine, guys. Facing the engine on the right side, right here under this cover, you have the main engine fuse box. Open this cover and you will see that fuse box layout right here. But before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So what we guys have here now, we need to check 2 fuses, guys, for steering wheel lock. If you come here, that's fuse number 13, 14, 15, 16. Fuse number 16 is the first fuse that you will need to check. After that you have one more and that's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Some of you may or may not have this one, guys. Fuse number 23 you will need to check as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.